Hey guys, it's Chris from CycleLane.Bike here. Last week we covered choosing a cycle computer, the difference between a GPS computer and a standard bicycle computer. You know, this one being GPS. This week we're going to cover how to measure your wheel size accurately. Now, unfortunately, there's no real substitute for doing it manually. The first thing you need to do is make sure that your tyre pressures are at what you would normally ride. So if you're riding at 100 psi on a road bike, make sure it's at about 100 psi, because that can impact the circumference of the wheel. Here you can see I'm taking some masking tape and wrapping it around my tyre. This will be my mark, which I'll use to then measure off. You can use chalk, you can use paint, anything that will mark two spots on the concrete that you can measure between. If you use masking tape as I'm doing, you need to carefully set it up so that you have it directly underneath the axle so that you know when to stop as you roll, as I'm pointing out here. Then go ahead and carry out one full rotation. Once you get the masking tape directly underneath the axle again, mark that spot on the concrete. You can see that I've got two bikes here. They both are 29-inch wheels, but the tyre sizes are different. So I'm illustrating the difference between the rolling diameter of each tyre. So you can see the difference is around 150 or 160 mil, and over a kilometre that would make a huge difference. So that's illustrating the importance of setting your computer correctly. So once you've got your two marks, then you need to run your tape measure out and measure the distance roughly from the middle of each piece of tape if you are using masking tape. So thanks for watching. That was this week's quick tip with CycleLane.Bike. If you like the video, give us the thumbs up down below. If you've got any comments, write them below. Otherwise, subscribe and we'll be back next week with another quick tip.